Following these claims, our reporter visited these locations and found that the batteries and solar panels had been systematically stolen, leaving the streets in darkness. Kedres Mutabanzi, the Deputy Mayor of Kabale Municipality, and Sam Ayudinwitwe, the Chairperson of Central Division, expressed their dismay over the situation.
It is so sad to know that the government can sponsor us to have street lights, and then after installing them, people carry them. We don't know where they take them. Somebody is doing that business, but it is very sad.
True of thieves and vandalizing the street lights, of course it's quite unfortunate. It's something we have to condemn, and we have also to appeal to the public that when these street lights are put in place, they are for the good of the community.
They emphasized the significant financial investment made by the government in installing these street lights, highlighting the importance to the community.
If by bad chance any of them is caught, they deserve a punishment. Because we had an idea that people start walking even at night. It is safe for one to travel in some light.
It is an obvious thing. Number one, just imagine you're walking and you bump into these people who are stealing the panels and the batteries. First of all, they will harm you. They can even kill you. In a situation where they are suspected that you know them or you have known them, they will kill you.
The authorities revealed that over 1 billion Uganda shillings was spent on the installation project. The municipal authority called on the government to reconsider the current solar system approach and explore the possibility of a centralized power generation system for all the street lights. This move, they believe, would migrate the problem of vandalism.
It is more than 1 billion. It's a lot of money that was spent and we didn't benefit from it.
We also needed to think beyond having solar street lights, or else if we want to remain with solar because we are also disturbed by electricity, we can copy like how Karangara generates its power, to have one plant and have a plant that can generate the power for lighting all these lights.
Kurunonde Peter, Director of Kigezi Uganda Limited, the company responsible for installing the street lights, disclosed that more than 10 street lights had already been stolen before the warranty period had ended. The company reported the incidents to the police, but the thefts have continued unabated. Kurunonde stressed the urgency of increasing night patrols by the Uganda police and installing additional security cameras, particularly in poorly lit areas.
Contracted to install 200 street lights within the Kabale Municipality along paved roads, and we installed them. But it is unfortunate that after installation, even before the defect liability ended, thieves have started stealing the street lights.
He suggested adopting a system where each street has its own independent area, citing successful models in developed countries.
Because of this rampant safety of these street lights, we encourage and request the government, especially the police, to put much emphasis on night patrols of different streets.
Mate Ili, the police spokesperson for Kigezi sub-region, confirmed the police's awareness of vandalism issue. He assured the public that the law enforcement agencies were collaborating closely with the municipal authorities and employing intelligence tactics to apprehend the culprits responsible for these thefts.
We are working hand in hand with the municipal urban authority to ensure that we have set our intelligence on the ground to ensure that we get who is doing this and where are they being taken and for which purpose.
Despite these efforts, vandalism remains a persistent problem across the country, undermining the ongoing initiatives to illuminate streets and ensure public safety. The local community, law enforcement and the authorities continue to work together in the hopes of putting an end to these acts of vandalism.